Ya nggak salah sih jawab. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you for the opportunity has given us to make this presentation. Before we start the presentation, this presentation will discuss about analysis of forbidden pharmaceutical compound in antirheumatic jamu 2017. Before we head into the next session, allow me to introduce the team. I'm Mulana Stiani as the first speaker, and Naila Salsabila as the second speaker, and Fabila Fatia as the third speaker. To shorten the time, let's head over to the presentation session. Next, Naila. Introduction. In Indonesia, jamu or herbal medicine has been known since long as a traditional medicine processing and utilization are carried down through the generation by prescription, heritage, beliefs, culture, and custom of this nation. Japanese word implies the involvement of a magic spell by master traditional healing and the healing of disease by using magic spells or mantra. This has become one of the consideration of the study to determine whether there was a synthetic drug that was added to the herbal medicine sold in the community. Furthermore, the number of new medicinal plants popping up with a product that is said to be nutritious during immediately led to allegation addition of synthetic drug into it. Next time.
Okay, next material. Okay, next is material. Material used in the forms of jamu antirheumatic from 7 different companies herbal medicine coded as jamu A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Color reagent used solution of sulfuric acid 98%, 18 milli or solution of 1% FaCl3 reagents, reagent filling solution 1, reagent filling 2, and Nestle reagent solution. The color change before and after the addition of reagent is observed in accordance with the reference of Auterhof. The next material used in a form of jamu. Salah ya? Salah tahu. Ih.
Ini langsung yang tadi aja metode nanti kita.
Method organoleptic inspection to herbal required by Indonesian Pharmacopedia, Material Medical Indonesia, and Indonesian Herbal Pharmacopedia. These observations include the size, form, color, taste, and smell of herbs. The color observed after herbal homogeneous inspection done with less testing substance, weight tip of tongue, and smell examination performed by rubbing the substance and the fingertips and smell. Extraction. The extraction process, additive in herbal medicine, refer to the Minister of Health herbal powder has added to the flask, added extractor which can dissolve the synthetic drugs. There might be added to herbal medicine, shake until homogeneous and filtered. The filter was used for identification. Reference standard. As a comparison, which was expected to be as forbidden compounds, were antolgin, aspirin, paracetamol, mefenamic acid, ibuprofen, prednisone, and dexamethasone. Thin layer chromatography, TLC densitometer. Extract of jamu from the market and reference standard dissolve certain solvent spot on TLC plate with silica gel GF 254, let dry, and then elute using the eluent according to the synthetic drug were examined, namely the eluent 1, chloroform ethanol 1910, eluent 2, chloroform acetone 19 and 20, and the eluent 3, 96% methanol, concentrate ammonia 100, 1.5. Observations were made under light ultraviolet 254 nanometer. The dry plates were then put into an TLC scanner and analyzed by densitometer. Peak area of chromatogram sample compared to the peak area standard multiple by the number of milligrams of substance standard was wide. The result was expressed in milligrams.
And the next is result. The first result is the result. The first result is organoleptic. Table 1, organoleptic observation. Jamu A, shape, fine powder, color coklat, scents bitter, odor typical herbs. Jamu B, shape powder, color yellowish brown, scents bitter mildly spicy, odor typical herbs. Jamu C, shape fine powder, color greenish brown, scents bitter, odor typical herbs. Jamu D, powder, color coklat, scents bitter mildly spicy, odor typical herbs. Jamu E, fine powder, color yellowish brown, scents bitter, odor typical herbs. Jamu F, powder, yellowish green, colornya. Scents Saint Peter, other typical herbs. Jamuji, sage fine powder, color chocolate, Saint Peter, other typical herbs. And the second result is solubility test. Solubility test was based on the nature of the polarity of each synthetic compound. Almost all jamu are water soluble except for methylenic acid, dexamethasone, and ibuprofen. The third result is color reaction. For example, on aspirin, mefenamic acid, antalgin, and paracetamol. Color reaction could only be done on herbal medicine A, B, and D because the yellow color of the herbs remains dissolved in the solvent water, acetone, ethanol, and methanol. TLC densitometer chromatogram, peak area of substance measured in comparison to the standard substance peak and then multiplied by the number of milligrams of standard substance was weighed, and the result expressed is milligrams. Table 5 show the result of analysis of illicit substance in jamu samples. In the research, the yield returns of 97.08% and 98.01% of paracetamol and dexamethasone respectively. Discussion. The use of jamu is usually recommended 3 times a day with brew with 250 ml of water each sachet, meaning if a pack of herbal antirheumatic weight of 7 grams of the herbal medicine contains approximately 550 milligrams of paracetamol. When mixed into herbs, such as herb or herbal pegel rheumatic arthritis, it will increase the efficiency of herbal medicine. If used every day, then paracetamol will accumulate in the body. In excessive dose, the liver can no longer mendetoxisasi and oxygen free radicals and actually damage the liver. Uncontrolled usage in the form of herbal medicine can paracetamol and dexamethasone were possibly because the price of these compounds relatively cheaper and easy to find than other antirheumatic raw materials in Indonesia.
Conclusion, there was a synthetic drug that was added to the herbal medicine, namely jamu, sold in the community of 7 antirheumatic jamu examined. 3 were found to the addition of paracetamol and the addition dexamethasone on one type of them. The obtained results suggest that the authorities more intensively to monitor the manufacture and distribution of jamu and herbal medication. To summarize our discussion, is everything clear? That's all I have to say. Thank you for your attention. And for the last, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.